If you're watching this video, I'm sure you are willing to participate in our volunteering program where you would be contributing in the reporting feature which we are building. So as part of this initiative, I would be requesting you to share some of the details in respective areas where you want to get yourself analyzed. Once the data is shared, that data is going to be utilized to validate certain details, and it will be utilized to make sure that the program is also conforming to the events which has happened. So it's a kind of testing activity you are going to contribute into, and once that is done, we would make the reports public, the capability public, and then others can utilize it, and you would get future services related to reports for free for 2 reports. So that's the return from our side for you if you are willing to contribute to it. I'm looking forward to your data, and rest assured this is going to be utilized to validate whether our program is also conforming to the events which has happened. I hope you would be contributing and be transparent while sharing the data. If you are not very confident and if you don't want to share your data, please don't try to fill the form. That's not going to help anyone. I'm very positive. I'm looking forward to your data set. Thank you very much for taking your time to see this video. And if you have stayed till here, it means you are a genuine person and you really want to contribute. I'm looking forward to your data set. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye.